Ekta.
You're on mute, Priyanka. We have good number of participants today. It's 4-5 and I think we should start. So I would like to start with introducing Priyanka Verma from Memories Worldwide Tours and Travels. Today's topic is all about Priyanka telling us that how women can travel across the world. She is herself into this travel industry. She's an MBA and she curates special tours and travels for all of us. I'm sure there is a travel bug amongst all of us, and COVID has changed that scenario a lot. So she's here to tell us how women can travel alone and how we can further take this Zara Hatke tours by her that she plans for all of us post this COVID scenario. Priyanka, I'm handing over the stage to you now.
Yeah.
And I just request everyone to please keep their mics on mute so that we can get the best understanding of what she has to say.
Yes. Thank you, Ekta. Thank you, Ekta, for such a nice introduction. So nice of you. And thanks to Masaya for giving me this platform. Thanks. You can give me screen sharing?
Yes, I am doing that right now. See if you can access it now.
No, it's still disabled. Yeah. Can you see this?
Yes, it's visible now. Priyanka, you can start now. It's visible. The screen is visible.
Okay.
And if anyone has questions, we'll take those at the end of this session. You can type them in the chat box and I'll be reading them out to Priyanka.
Yeah. So how many have joined by now?
There are 17 participants right now.
Okay. So our today's topic is ensuring safe travel for all the confident women out here. Hi, good morning and namaste to all the women travelers. I'm sure you all are quite confident, but yes, little tips will certainly help you better. So here I go. I'm the founder of Memories Worldwide Tours and Travel. I'm Priyanka Verma. I'm based out of Chembur in Mumbai. Little bit about me so that you can trust what I say, you can understand what I'm trying to convey. So it's a proprietorship firm, Memories Worldwide. We started in 2017 itself. Before that, I had a work experience of almost 24 years in this travel industry. I have all the qualification related to travel industry, related to ITA, OFTA, and an MBA. Got certified expert from many countries for many destinations. I have written a lot of articles in the newspapers about the industries. I keep on attending road shows and seminars which are being organized by various tourism bodies, consulates, and airline industries, etc., to keep myself abreast and updated about the industry. So when we say that we want to be, what should we know about the safety aspect, or what should we know the tour, how can we be confident traveler? So we can divide this into three things.
Priyanka, hold on. Guys, please mute yourselves. There's a lot of disturbance coming in the background. If you could all mute yourself, and Priyanka, if you could make me the host again, I'll manage that from my end.
Okay. So I'll make you Ekta as a host.
Yes, yes, yes. Great.
Is it okay?
Yes, yes, it's working. Thank you. You can please carry on.
Yeah. So when we say that so we can basically divide our entire travel in the three sections, on the three stages. One is before travel, during travel, and after the travel. So most important is always before travel. So when we say that before travel, what all you should take care in mind when you are traveling, and whether, because in India, as a typical, we all are so comfortable traveling with our family, with our spouses, with our parents and our brothers, that we hardly travel on our own. So my mission is that I should make you a confident traveler, so you are not dependent on anyone, but you should be able to travel on your own, wherever and whatever. As a step for you, especially on the Women's Day, yes, we should enjoy this moment not only for happiness, but we should take one step at a time, and this step should be that we should be always be able to travel on our own also. So when we are a little worried about it, कि कैसे जाना है, क्यों जाना है, I was always traveled with my husband and he takes care of it.
Priyanka, you're not audible right now. I think you went on mute. Yeah.
Is it clear?
Yes, yes, yes.
So these are the small steps. These are the small pointers. If you keep in mind, you will be able to travel on your own whenever it is required, and your dependency on anyone will be less. So whenever you plan to travel, you should just take small things into consideration. Like when you want to go to any place, you should know where that place is, whether it is towards the north of your place or south, whether there are mountains, whether it is a sea beach, whether it is a metro city, whether it is an island. At least basic things you should know. You should know it is a separate country altogether, or it is part of India. It is in which state of India. How far from Mumbai, if we all are here, based out of Mumbai, we should always say कि हाँ वो कितना दूर है बॉम्बे से, उसकी लोकेशन कहाँ है, और कितना डिस्टेंस वाइज कितना दूर है, किलोमीटर्स वाइज कितना दूर है. You should not live blank in today's world कि हाँ ठीक है जब जाना होगा तब देख लेंगे. No. So whether Kerala is next door to you or it is very far from your place, you should know everything about that place. When you are traveling, you should always know the climatic condition of that area when you are going. Whether it will be very rainy, whether it will be cold, whether it will be hot, what kind of culture is there in that area, what are the food preferences out there, what kind of religion is more dominant about there. When you know the language spoken out there, is Hindi and English easily available out there, or when you are traveling to China, or you are traveling to Sikkim, or whether you are traveling to Ladakh, or when you are traveling to Rajasthan, you should know what languages will be comfortable when you will be able to go there. And of course, the time zone is equally important. When we are in India, we all will be on the same clock. Everybody will be wearing the same clock. But the sun rises in the east, and in the eastern part of our India, the sun will always rise much earlier. So if you go to the northeast or in Andamans, the sun rises at 5 a.m. So your day starts quite early. So all these small things you should know when you are planning a holiday or a trip for your business purpose or for holiday trip. You should know all these things. So these things are very important, very natural. It comes in our mind, and you should be always inquisitive to know about these things. Like, and whenever you have a planned holiday, a planned travel, it is always better than the last minute goof ups. So you know you should avoid last minute late bookings and all those things. The next important thing is when you have to go to a particular place, try to explore what are the various options of reaching there. Whether that place will be accessible by flight, or can we go by rail or by road, or are there any ferry options or cruises option. Suppose if you have to go to Goa, so you should know कि अरे by train भी जा सकते हैं, road journey is also there, and of course flight is also there. Similarly, if you have to go to Kashmir, can you go by a road journey from Bombay? Can ferries go to Kashmir? Can we go to that place by cruise, or only trains are possible? No, there are no trains which are going till Kashmir, till Srinagar. So you should know all these things. So these are small things which you should know when you are planning a holiday. What are the modalities, what are the different options of traveling to a particular place. Then next is, where will you stay? What kind of an accommodation are you looking for? What is a rate? Somebody says 3,000, somebody says 10,000, somebody says 20,000. So you should be able to understand the rate. Ki wo hotel mein what kind of facilities are there, what kind of amenities are there, what are the check-in check-out times are there, what is the inclusion. वो जो रेट बता रहे हैं वो पर नाइट का रेट दे रहे हैं कि पर डे का दे रहे हैं कि एंटायर ड्यूरेशन का दे रहे हैं. कई बार जो हमें रेट्स मिलते हैं, दे आर ओनली फॉर रूम. Sometimes the rate will also include your breakfast, lunch and dinner. Sometimes it will include only breakfast and dinner, and many a times it will include only breakfast. So you should always know what kind of different rates are available in the hotel industry. When you book a bungalow, rates are different. When you book a apartment, there will be a different concept. When you book a hotels, there will be a different concept. When you will book a cruise, there will be entire different concept of the booking. So these are equally important. Sometimes in those rates, there are various amenities which are part of the package, and they will give you inclusive of their rates. Suppose when you are going to Goa, it is quite normal that that rate may include for pickup and drop from airport and railway station also. But when you are going to, assume that you are going to Delhi and you book a hotel in Delhi, in that case, pickup and drop from Delhi airport may not be part of the package. You may have to pay separately or get it arranged separately. So depending on place to place, hotel to hotel, resort to resort, different types of rates are there. Then another most important thing is check-in, check-out times. We assume कि हमारी flight सुबह 6 बजे पहुंच जाएगी और हम 7 बजे होटल में पहुंच जाएंगे. No, it is not like that. Hotels have their own check-in and check-out time. You should always ensure to find out what is a check-in time and what is a check-out time. Suppose आप जब होटल से निकलते हैं बाहर, तो हो सकता है आपकी फ्लाइट शाम की 5 बजे की हो, रात के 9 बजे की हो. So you cannot continue to stay in that hotel room till 7 p.m. or 8 p.m. You have to check out from the hotel at a particular time itself. So you should understand all these things much before you start your traveling. Then another most important part is about traveling is you should know what kind of documents are required when you are traveling, like health certificates. Now, post-COVID, health certificate is an important thing in many states of India. More so because of the COVID region, now people will ask for RT-PCR test. And mostly one government ID is required whenever you are traveling within India. When you travel internationally, whenever you cross your borders, you require many more documents. The two most important documents are passport and the visa stamping. So visa is not a separate document, it is a stamping on your passport. So all these two are another set of things which are required. Some states may require many more things. Some countries will require more elaborate things. So one cannot just go like that, and one should be aware of what all things will be required. And the another most important thing is you should always carry two sets of Xerox of all your documents. Keep one in your purse, the original, and keep a set of Xerox in your handbag and in your checked-in bag. For any reason, if you lose one set, you will have some Xerox set to take care of it. Especially when you are traveling internationally, your documents are the most important thing to carry. Then we as ladies are very comfortable using cash. But these days, if you want to be a smart traveler, you should know how to handle smart money. You should know different types of options of paying. I'm sure most of you have already learned and you are doing all these kinds of payment these days, whether you are buying online, grocery or any clothing or any household items. So one should be able to use these smart money options, whether it is Paytm, Google Pay and Phone Pay, or using your debit cards and credit cards. कई बार हम कंफर्टेबल होते हैं कि नहीं मेरा हस्बैंड ही यूज करेगा, नहीं आपको भी आना चाहिए डेबिट कार्ड यूज करना, क्रेडिट कार्ड यूज करना, उसमें क्या पिन है, क्या सेफ्टी प्रिकॉशंस वन शुड टेक केयर, कैसे यूज होता है, क्या आपके कार्ड की लिमिट है, उसका क्या पिन है या कोड है, वो सब चीजें आपको पता होनी चाहिए कि कैसे आप अपना डेबिट कार्ड और क्रेडिट कार्ड भी यूज कर सकते हैं. And then another important thing when you travel is right kind of clothing. आपको पता होना चाहिए कि हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं, वहाँ ठंड पड़ेगी कि गर्मी पड़ेगी. हम ऐसे ही बहुत अपने फैंसी क्लोथ्स ले जाएं या you carry a lot of woolens whereas it is a beach destination or vice versa. Such things should not happen. Similarly, you should not travel with fancy footwear. आपको एयरपोर्ट्स पे, रेलवे स्टेशन में, साइट सीइंग्स में, वाटरफॉल में, माउंटेन ट्रैकिंग में, बीच में, you require a sturdy and firm footwear, not the fancy footwears. So you should ensure that you are carrying the correct footwear. Just imagine आपका सब कुछ अच्छा है, planned है, सिर्फ आपका footwear गलत है, आपका पूरा holiday खराब हो सकता है. So even footwear takes a very important role in your entire travel. And so are the luggage options. जब हम ट्रेन से ट्रैवल करते हैं, as such in Indian Railways, nobody checks and carries, कि कितना आप लगेज कैरी कर रहे हो. आप बस से जा रहे हो, आपको पता है कि आपके पास कितना सामान है, 2 है, 3 है, 4 है. You can manage to fit in the luggage room of the bus, या आप ऊपर डिक्की में कहीं डाल सकते हो. But when you are traveling by air, luggage is a big concern. You should always know कि आप कितना luggage कैसे carry कर सकते हो. In India, when you are traveling on domestic sectors, your luggage options are different. When you are traveling on international, your luggage options are different. Air India gives you more luggage, whereas Indigo, SpiceJet, Vistara gives you a less luggage options. तो ये भी हमें छोटी छोटी बातें लेकिन बहुत मैटर करती हैं कि हमें कितना लगेज हमें ले जाना चाहिए और हम ले जा सकते हैं. इसलिए ये सारा होमवर्क करना बहुत जरूरी होता है आपको अगर अपने आप को एक कॉन्फिडेंट ट्रैवलर बनाना है. इफ यू आर वांट टू बी अ कॉन्फिडेंट ट्रैवलर, आप ये पॉइंटर्स ध्यान रखिए और अपना होमवर्क अच्छे से करिए, सो इट विल बी वेरी इजी फॉर यू टू ट्रैवल कॉन्फिडेंटली. लेकिन आप ये सब करोगे कैसे? हाउ कैन यू परफॉर्म ऑल दीज एक्टिविटीज? उसके लिए आपको क्या करना चाहिए कि आप, एक तरीका तो ये है कि जो भी रिसेंटली आपके फ्रेंड या फैमिली who have recently traveled, they are the best person to guide you properly, thoroughly. कि उसने क्योंकि अभी जाके आए हैं वो या वहां से ही आ रहे हैं और आप जानते हो उन लोगों को, तो naturally that is the best thing to do it. What is the next good option? Next good option is Google Baba. आज की डेट में सबका जवाब गूगल के पास है, तो you can always explore the internet, use internet and get all the information. But कई बार ऐसा होता है कि हम कंफर्टेबल नहीं होते हैं गूगल में भी, क्योंकि आप एक इंफॉर्मेशन डालो, बहुत सारी 4 इंफॉर्मेशन पॉपअप होने लगती हैं, तो वी गेट कंफ्यूज्ड, वी गेट लॉस्ट कि ये सही है कि वो गलत है, इससे पे जाना चाहिए कि वो जाना चाहिए, and you get deviated from your main purpose of searching the correct information, क्योंकि हर तरह की इंफॉर्मेशन मार्केट में अवेलेबल है. तो दैट इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. गूगल इज इंपॉर्टेंट. इट इज आवर डे टू डे लाइफ, लाइक breathing air now. We cannot live without our Google Baba. But yes, we should always know कि apart from Google Baba, what next? If we are getting confused, then what? Then your trusted travel partners is a right person to approach and sort out all your queries, sort out all your questions, sort out all your dilemmas, whatever problems you are facing or you have any kind of confusion. So if you do all these homeworks, it becomes easier for you that you can travel. Now your travel has started, you have taken care of your itinerary, you have booked properly, because when you book online, so many times there are different types of fares, different types of cancellation procedures, सीट बुकिंग प्रोसीजर, वेब चेक इन होता है, वो सब चीजें आपने सीखनी चाहिए, आनी चाहिए. आप धीरे धीरे करो, आपको सब आ जाएगा. इट इज नो बिग थिंग, इट इज नो रॉकेट साइंस, एंड इट्स बी इजी एंड कंफर्टेबल फॉर यू. Now when your journey is starting, when your travel is starting, what all things you should keep in mind? First of all is your personality. How do you appear? How do you look? So naturally you should look confident. आपने कॉन्फिडेंट ही दिखना चाहिए. यू शुड ऑलवेज लुक स्ट्रेट, लुक टॉक टू पर्सन्स आईज, एंड यू शुड नॉट लुक लॉस्ट एट ऑल कि आप कहाँ आ गए हो, क्या करना है, समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है, कैसे करना है. No, your body language should be very confident. You should have a eye contact, and all these things will be very natural क्योंकि आपने होमवर्क पूरा किया हुआ है. So there is no reason that you will not be confident about traveling. Then as a starter, suppose you have never traveled and now you want to start traveling on your own, take baby steps. Like आप अकेले जाने की सोच रहे हो तो पहले अपने 1-2 फ्रेंड्स के साथ जाओ. Go in small groups rather than going all of a sudden for a solo trip. Just take 1 or 2 friends, तो एक दूसरे का साथ रहता है, तो it is always better. Go for short trips rather than going all of a sudden for a long trip. छोटे trips पे जाओ, पास के destinations पे जाओ आप. Suppose you are from Bombay, go on a small holiday to Goa or to Lonavala maybe, or something like that. Just go to Karjat and come back. So ऐसे छोटे-छोटे आप steps लोगे तो your confidence will keep on increasing. And naturally, पहले Indian holidays आप जाओ, आप within India घूमो, तो कहीं भी कुछ goof up होता है, change होता है, तो आपकी family वालों को तक आपको पहुंचना और आपको come back करना will be easy. Indian rules will be comfortable to take care of all these things. When you are cross your boundaries and you go on an international travel, naturally that should be the next step to explore the world. पहले आप Indian travel करके ज़्यादा comfortable हो जाओ, आपको अपना डॉक्यूमेंट्स देखना, समझना, उसका याद रखना कि आपको कॉन्फिडेंस आ जाना चाहिए, and then you can always travel internationally. So this is very important for you. और कोशिश करो कि आप अपनी मैक्सिमम बुकिंग्स पहले से ही करके जाओ. To start with, don't say कि मैं सब चीजें वहां जाके एक्सप्लोर करूंगी, because you're a first time traveler. जो लोग बहुत ट्रैवल करते रहते हैं उनके लिए ठीक रहता है कि they can be little adventurous, but otherwise for you it's always better कि आप सारी बुकिंग्स पहले से ही करके जाओ, so that आपका कॉन्फिडेंस भी बना रहेगा और सब चीजें बहुत स्ट्रक्चर्ड तरीके से रहेंगी. The next important thing is you should dress very appropriately. Dressing appropriately means आपने साड़ी पहनी हुई है, फ्लेयरी गाउन पहना हुआ है, फ्लेयरी दुपट्टा पहना है, तो आप ना दुपट्टा संभाल रहे हो कि बैग संभाल रहे हो कि बाल संभाल रहे हो. All that should not happen. So you should be be in a position कि आप अपने आप का पहले ध्यान रखो, and if you are dressed up properly, what is required for a travel, then naturally आपका focus दूसरी important चीजों पे रहेगा, नहीं तो आप अपने आप को ही संभालने में आपका टाइम चला जाएगा. Then we should always keep your documents handy, क्योंकि जब आप ट्रैवल करते हो तो whether you are going by train or going by flight, आपके डॉक्यूमेंट्स हाथ में रहने चाहिए उस वक्त, rather than you are searching and digging in the back कि अरे आधार कार्ड कहाँ गया, मेरी टिकट कहाँ गई, मैंने तो रखा था, भूल गई. कुछ इधर रखा है, कुछ उधर रखा है. No, all such things should not happen. So keep your things handy. All documents which are required at airport or at railway station or at the time of check-in at hotel, whether it is your RT-PCR test or any other documents, you should keep it handy in your hand. And as I told you, keep 2 set of Xeroxes separately in one handbag and one in checked in baggage. So this will also very important. Sometimes we are so used to having everything on our gadgets. You know, we are totally dependent on our gadget कि हाँ मोबाइल में तो टिकट है, मोबाइल में तो आधार कार्ड है, मोबाइल में तो RT-PCR टेस्ट है, हमें अलग से ले जाने की क्या जरूरत है. नहीं, आप अपने प्रिंट आउट्स भी साथ में रखिए फॉर अ वेरी सिंपल रीजन कि बैटरी डाउन हो गई या वाईफाई नहीं मिला तो आपका खुल नहीं रहा है, तो देन यू शुड नॉट गेट लॉस्ट. So we should not be totally dependent on gadgets. We should keep things handy in our hand in a conventional, traditional manner also. Similarly, for a first-time traveler, it is very important to understand the process of the journey. कि रेल जर्नी कैसे होती है. जब अगर का टाइमिंग अगर 11 बजे की ट्रेन है तो हमें कितने बजे तक ट्रेन स्टेशन पे पहुंच जाना चाहिए. अगर 11 बजे की फ्लाइट है तो हमें कितने बजे तक फ्लाइट वहां पे पहुंच जाना चाहिए. इज इट एट 10:30 और इज इट एट 9:30. सिमिलरली अगर आपका क्रूज है तो क्रूज अगर 11 बजे तो आपको कितने घंटे पहले पहुंचना चाहिए. क्या 11 बजे का क्रूज है तो कैन यू रीच एट 10:50? No, certainly not. So it is very important to understand the process of your journey also, क्योंकि ये फर्स्ट टाइमर ट्रैवलर्स के लिए है. तो आपने अगर ये होमवर्क करके रखा होगा तो इट विल बी वेरी इजी फॉर यू. सो कई बार हमें सस्ती फ्लाइट टिकट मिलेगी करके हम ऐसी फ्लाइट चूज कर लेते हैं जो सुबह 5 बजे पहुंच जाती है, लेकिन होटल का चेक इन टाइम तो 12 बजे है. तो अब आप क्या करोगे वो 6 घंटे. तो यू शुड बी मेंटली प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर दीज थिंग्स कि हमें होटल जाते साथ 6 बजे हो सकता है ना मिले. So one should be aware of it. So you should not get panicked because you have done such bookings कि आपकी फ्लाइट सुबह 5 बजे पहुंच रही है और होटल का चेक इन 12 बजे. इंटरनेशनली तो होटल का चेक इन 2 बजे भी होता है और 3 बजे भी होता है. सो वन शुड बी अवेयर. ऐसा उस दिन आपने टूर प्लान किया हो या कुछ और प्लान किया हो तो वन शुड कीप दीज थिंग्स इन माइंड कि कैन वी डू अ साइट सीइंग टूर. हम एयरपोर्ट से निकलते ही सारा साइट सीइंग करके इकट्ठे शाम को होटल जाने वाले हैं कि कैसे करने वाले हैं. सो वन शुड बी अवेयर ऑफ ऑल दीज. चेक इन टाइम प्रोसेस, एयरपोर्ट से होटल की दूरी कितनी देर है, चेक एयरपोर्ट पे पहुंच के एयरक्राफ्ट तक पहुंचने में कितना टाइम लगता है, एयरक्राफ्ट से डिबोर्ड करके एयरपोर्ट चेकआउट करके लगेज तक आने में कितना टाइम लगता है. ये एक अप्रोक्सीमेट आइडिया आपको जनरली पता होना चाहिए व्हेन यू आर ट्रैवलिंग फर्स्ट टाइम और सेकेंड टाइम. एंड सब्सिक्वेंटली व्हेन यू कीप ट्रैवलिंग ये सब चीजें आपको आइडिया आ जाता है कि हाँ मुझे इतना टाइम तो लगेगा. सो दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. कई बार हम वहां कोई भी जगह जाते हैं तो हम एज लेडीज खासकर, जो मेरा एक्सपीरियंस है, वी गेट लॉस्ट इन दैट प्लेस. वी आर सो मेस्मराइज, सो हैप्पी टू बी इन दैट प्लेस कि फिर हमें फोटो लेने में हम इतना एंजॉय कर रहे होते हैं या कोई चीज शॉपिंग करने में या लोगों के साथ बात करने में या देखने में, that we are not bothered कि हमारा डॉक्यूमेंट्स कहाँ है, हमारा बैग कहाँ है. No, you should be conscious at the back of your mind that you are a solo traveler. Your husband is not there to take care of you. You have to take care of your things. So take care of your money, take care of your documents, take care of your baggage. आप एक बैग लेके आए थे कि 2 बैग्स थे आपके हाथ में. आपको ये सब चीजें फ्रीक्वेंटली चेक करते रहना चाहिए. किसी शॉप पे गए, किसी रेस्टोरेंट में गए, किसी मॉन्यूमेंट पे गए तो कीप ऑन चेकिंग कि आपकी चीजें हैं कि नहीं है. हमने मोबाइल लिया था, कहाँ रख तो नहीं दिया, हमने पर्स निकाला था, वापस आपने अपने बैग में डाला. तो ये आपके एट द बैक ऑफ योर माइंड ये सब चीजें आपकी चलती रहनी चाहिए कि हाँ मुझे अपनी चीजों का ख्याल रखना है. सो सिमिलरली व्हेन यू गो, अनदर मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज आपको लोकल कल्चर को के बारे में वहां पता होना चाहिए और हमेशा हमें उस जगह की कदर करनी आनी चाहिए, रिस्पेक्ट करना आना चाहिए, वहां का जो भी लोकल कल्चर है और उसे एक्सेप्ट करना आना चाहिए. वी शुड एंश्योर दैट वी आर एक्सेप्टिंग एंड लविंग दैट लोकल कल्चर. एंड अनदर थिंग एज अ सेफ्टी एस्पेक्ट जो हम सबको पता है, लेकिन फिर भी खासकर जब हम नई जगहों पे जा रहे होते हैं तो वी शुड एंश्योर दैट वी आर नॉट गोइंग अलोन टू एनी अननोन प्लेसेस. कई बार हम ऐसे हॉलीडेज पे जाते हैं जहां हमें लोकल लोग बोलेंगे कि सर आपकी आइटनरी में ये नहीं है, लेकिन आप वहां भी जाओगे तो इट विल बी वेरी गुड एक्सपीरियंस. So avoid such things. You should not go alone to such unknown places. It may or may not be the right thing for you. Then another important thing is कि आपने कई बार हम बहुत carried away हो जाते हैं लोकल लोगों से बात करने में, और हम अपनी बहुत सारी पर्सनल डिटेल्स, पर्सनल इंफॉर्मेशन लोगों के साथ शेयर करने लगते हैं. कोई लोकल गाइड है, ड्राइवर है, को पैसेंजर्स हैं हमारे साथ, हम उनके साथ इतने मिंगल हो जाते हैं कि we keep on sharing our personal details. So one should restrict, you should be conscious about it कि आप क्या share कर रहे हो और क्या नहीं कर रहे हो. Try to avoid sharing your personal details to an unknown strangers. Similarly, you should not eat or take any gift or any items from an unknown people. कि मेरा जरा ये सामान देखना, मैं थोड़ी देर में आता हूँ. We became very good friends. Let's have lunch together, dinner together, or let's enjoy this sightseeing together. Let's share this cost. Sometimes ऐसा होता है, तो one should be very careful कि आप किसके साथ क्या चीजें share कर रहे हो, and one should not do all these things. Similarly, when you are traveling, when you are in a holiday mode, when you are actually traveling, one should avoid, maybe I am little orthodox mentality, you can say, कि हमें उस वक्त सोशल मीडिया पे अपनी अपडेट्स नहीं डालनी चाहिए, लाइव लोकेशन नहीं डालनी चाहिए. You never know who is tracking you or what may be the consequences of it. Once, but इसका मतलब ये भी नहीं है कि प्रियंका ने इतना डरा दिया कि तो अब जाना ही नहीं है. No, you should go and you should enjoy that moment. You should live that moment fully. But yes, keep all these things in the back of your mind so that ऐसा कुछ हो नहीं आपके साथ. Similarly, when you are towards the end of the trip, you should ensure that you have picked up and packed all your documents and luggage. कई बार हम इतनी शॉपिंग कर लेते हैं कि हमें हिसाब ही नहीं होता है कि हमें कितना सामान हम ले जा सकते हैं. ये केस स्पेशली प्रॉब्लम देता है व्हेन यू आर ट्रैवलिंग बाय फ्लाइट, क्योंकि फ्लाइट के साथ एक्सेस बैगेज का बहुत बड़ा एक चैलेंज आता है. देन यू शुड बी रेडी कि हमें एक्सेस बैगेज पे करना पड़ेगा अगर आपने इतनी ज्यादा शॉपिंग कर ली है तो. अदरवाइज you should know, अगर ट्रेन जर्नी है, रोड जर्नी है, then it's okay, you can carry few more luggages, but otherwise one should be aware of it. Then another important thing is when you are checking out, you should keep sufficient margin when you are checking out. आप उसी वक्त किसी का चेक इन चल रहा है, ग्रुप चेक इन चल रहा है, और आप बोलो कि मेरा जल्दी चेकआउट कर दो, मेरी प्रोसेस कंप्लीट कर दो, फॉर्मेलिटीज पूरी कंप्लीट कर दो. इट मे और मे नॉट हैपन बिकॉज आपकी फ्लाइट डिले हो रही है, कुछ कैंसिल हो रहा है और आप एयरपोर्ट पहुंचने में लेट हो रहे हो. तो जनरली आपने ये कोशिश करना चाहिए कि आप होटल पे रिसेप्शन पे पहले ही बोल दो कि आज मेरा चेकआउट है, मैं आधे घंटे बाद करूंगा, काइंडली कंप्लीट द प्रोसेस, उतनी देर में मैं ब्रेकफास्ट करके आता हूँ या लगेज कंप्लीट करके आती हूँ. सो दिस इज हाउ यू कैन सेव योर टाइम. एंड व्हेन यू आर ट्रैवलिंग बैक, यू शुड ऑलवेज एंश्योर कि आपकी ट्रैवल बुकिंग्स है ना प्रॉपर, वेब चेक इन हो गया है ना, लगेज कितना है, एंड ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर इम्पॉर्टेंट. And next important thing is once you have completed this, you should whatever you have experienced, good or not so good, you should share with your loved ones on social media and on it, so that it is a learning lessons for others also. कि आपने ये experience किया, और जैसे ही आपने जो भी experience किया, it will give confidence and boost to the another lady. So that is equally important. So this is a time that you should share all your experiences on social media, and this is how you should always take a pledge कि today now I am a confident woman traveler, I have completed my journey properly, and now I take a pledge that I'll make another woman as a confident traveler. So this is most important. So this is little bit about when you want to travel as a woman, then what happens, why you should travel as a woman traveler. Because it gives you not only the confidence, it comes out, as a lady, as a person, आपकी personality में बहुत फर्क आता है. So it's good that you should be a traveler, and then you can always gift when you are confident about it, when you are taking a pledge कि आज अब मैं एक और lady को अपनी ही तरह confident traveler बनाऊंगी. So you can always gift a holiday, a travel plan to your women in your life. Maybe it's your mother or mother-in-law, sister or sister-in-law, daughter or daughter-in-law, your friends and colleagues and other relatives. This is a very good platform when you travel together, because आप like-minded ladies के साथ, women के साथ आप आते हो, and then you make new friends. आपका देखने का नजरिया बढ़ता है, your horizon increases, and all kinds of women you come and meet across. Maybe they are professionals, they are homemakers, they are intellects, or they may be very good cook, or maybe a lot of things. इतनी inner beauty होती है women की कि कई बार हमें पता ही नहीं चलता है क्योंकि हम अपनी ही जिंदगी में इतने बिजी रहते हैं। लेकिन जब आप ऐसे ट्रैवल करने आते हो तो आपके इतने सारे हिडन टैलेंट्स आपके बाहर निकल के आते हैं और आप नई नई चीजें सीखते हो अपने साथ लोगों को। तो anybody who is 18 and above till the 80 years and beyond can travel and you can inspire them to travel. Similarly, when you are a mother, so many of you must be a mother, तो आप अपने बच्चे को भी लेके अब ट्रैवल करने का आपको कॉन्फिडेंस आता है कि इट्स ओके, माय हस्बैंड इज बिजी, ही इज नॉट एबल टू ट्रैवल बिकॉज ऑफ हिज business, because of his work related. So you can always take in charge of your family and you can be a traveler and you can take care of your family as well. So I'm on a mission of making so many people travel, and these are some of the small glimpses of ladies who have traveled with us in last 3-4 years. And this is a small offer from my side, for all the upcoming tours, we are ready to offer, as Women's Day is coming, International Women's Day is coming. So we are ready to offer you a discount voucher of 2,000 rupees on all the upcoming tours, which will be there till December 2021. The only few things which we expect from you is you follow us, share us, and like us on our social media pages of Instagram and on Facebook. Our Instagram is memoriesworldwide_tour, and similarly we expect कि आप अपने friends को tag करिए, minimum 3 female friends को आप हमारे social media पे tag करिए और उनसे भी यही request करिए कि they follow us and like us on our social media. So you can complete this activity in next 1 week, and then for all our upcoming tours which are coming up, share the screenshot of this and we will give you a 2,000 rupees discount for any tour which we are coming up in the entire year from March onwards till December. This is a small offer from us to you. Thank you. This was a small presentation. I hope it was informative enough for you and you enjoyed listening from it, and it will make you will get some, you are confident about it. So if you have any doubts, I'm ready to solve your doubts.
Thank you, Priyanka. This was so good. It really makes me want to go and travel today.
Most welcome. Yes, let little Corona settle down, and then I think that will be the good thing to for you to travel.
I agree. Really want to go out and travel, and especially when we go in groups like this, we meet so many new people and so much to exchange, share, network.
Correct. That is what it is. That is why it is important that one must travel to know about inner self, because as a lady, we always travel as a mother, as a wife, but we never travel, we never give time to ourselves. So this is the right time that we can give time to ourselves.
So true. If anyone has any questions, please share on the chat box and I'll share it with Priyanka. So Maushmi is asking, can you suggest some small trips? And I know she's from Mumbai. So can you suggest some small trips that she can take?
Of course, yes, Maushmi. If you want to go for a solo trip, we have so many weekend getaways from Mumbai itself. You can take that. Depending on your likings, you can go to, we have got a huge coastline from Mumbai till Goa. The entire Konkan is good for you. You can stay in homestay, in small resorts, in bungalows. These are the options. Of course, Lonavala is the easiest way for the Mumbaikars. Otherwise, Mahabaleshwar, you can go to Lavasa, you can go to Igatpuri, you can go to Bhandardara. These are some of the good options which you can consider, and there is a lot of natural beauty in this place. If you see my social media, I had posted some offbeat destinations near Mumbai, which you can always consider for short getaways.
That's very nice. In fact, I have been to Lavasa like 2 years ago, and it's a beautiful place. I think everyone must visit it once.
Yes, it's a good getaway for and it's comfortable traveling from Mumbai. Igatpuri is very beautiful. Bhandardara is very beautiful. You can go up to Tarkarli, up to Khavane, about Dapoli. There are a lot of places on the coastal road also. You can enjoy depending how much time and energy you have to spend. Otherwise, easiest is now these days, even Alibag is very comfortable to go. Now we have got Roro ferry. So apart from the normal ferry, which starts from Gateway of India, which just takes 1 hour to cross, and then you are on the Alibag side. There is a Roro ferry, which is quite good. You can take that as well.
Galaxy J7 Pro, you raised your hand. You can unmute yourself and ask your question. And please share your name as well.
You have anything to say, ma'am?
Hi, this is Sandhya Rastogi. I just want to know the nearby tours for 3 nights or 2 nights, 3 days, which are without, I don't know.
Ma'am, you can go up to Tarkarli.
Maharashtra itself, so there is no COVID restrictions at all.
Yeah, so you can travel to Maharashtra as of now. If you are traveling within Maharashtra, there are no as such COVID guidelines or RT-PCR test is required. You can go to Dhapoli, you can go to Tarkarli, you can go to Khavane beach. So there are a lot of Ganpati Phule. You can go to such places which will take 5 hours to 6 hours journey, and you can visit this place. If you are on a religious,
Do you organize such tours?
yeah, we do organize such tours. We can arrange for you. Or if you have a religious bent of mind, you can always go to Kolhapur, Pandharpur. Even that sector, you can do it in 2 to 3 days. Can,
not really, because of social distancing.
yes,
I just don't want to go to that temples and all because of the crowd.
correct.
I'm just looking for a relaxation purpose.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
so that we can maintain that social distancing.
Then you can go
That is
to
my
this place
concern.
ahead of Ganpati Phule, and before in the Raigad, Sindhudurg districts. There are a lot of places which are very serene, very beautiful, and you can always consider over there. The driving distance is also good. You can manage in few hours, and you can spend easily in a very relaxed way 2 nights, 3 nights, and you can come back. A lot of small activities you can go and do, and then you can be back. And you will be quite stress free.
So if something like that is coming up, you please let me know.
Of course, yes, I will let you know. Of
Thank
course,
you
I will
so
let
much.
you know. Yeah,
Thank you.
thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Priyanka. And thank you everyone for participating. This has been very enlightening.
Yes.
And with this, we would like to end today's session.
Yes.
And do follow Priyanka's Instagram account.
Yeah.
And it's very interesting. There are a lot of images and lots of inspiration for us to travel.
Of course.
Yeah, and there's another session coming up tomorrow. Please join that as well. Tell your friends, tell your family members, everyone join in. And don't forget to participate in the lucky draw. Send your name and the session that you have attended on the number in the chat box. And you will be winning, if you're lucky, you will win a good prize. So with that, we'll end this session. Thank you, Priyanka.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone, for joining.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thanks a lot. Thank you, Nipa. Thank you, Ekta. And thank you, Masaya, for providing us this platform. We can close this. There is no other question as such.
Yes.